FanFiction.net is a website that archives fanfiction for thousands of books, movies, games, and more. There are millions of stories available on FanFiction, but don't panic. Searching for the content you want to read is easy and painless. There are two main ways to search for stories on FanFiction.net. The first is to browse by individual fandoms. The second is to search by crossover fandoms. Crossovers are when an author combines two different universes, like Harry Potter and Twilight. There are many different combinations you can search, so for now, let's focus on individual fandoms. To get to your chosen fandom, you must first select the type of medium in which it was originally published. For example, Harry Potter was a book before it was a movie, so you'll find it in the books category. Each category automatically lists the fandoms in order of most content to least, so for Harry Potter fans, their fandom is right at the top. However, you can also use the alphabet bar to filter by works beginning with a particular letter, which is then organized alphabetically. Once you've gotten to your fandom, the works are automatically sorted by update date, with the most recent first, and filtered by works rated K through T or Kids through Teens. You can now customize the filters to suit exactly what you're looking for. For now, I'm going to sort the works by most favorited first. I'm going to leave the time range and the genres alone, but you can use those to find works published or updated recently and in any genre or genres you want to read. I'll filter for all ratings, works written in English, and works that are complete. I don't have a preference for the world in which the work takes place or how long it is, so I'll leave those alone and move on to characters. You have up to 4 characters that you can select to see featured in the story, and characters are listed alphabetically by name. Let's have some fun with this filter and search for stories that contain the characters Minerva McGonagall and Tom Riddle Jr. or Lord Voldemort. You can also select the pairing button, which will search for works where the author has tagged the main relationship in the story as these characters. However, this is a fairly new function, so many works will not have this tag. I recommend leaving it off so your search will return a wider selection. The Without Filters section allows you to exclude certain tags from your search, but we won't use that today. And here is our filtered search. As you can see with this first story, the main pairing is Dumbledore and McGonagall, as indicated by the brackets surrounding their names. This means that the author has tagged them as the main pairing using the newer system. The second story listed is more in keeping with the old system. The characters are listed at the bottom, but the summary lets you know that the pairings in the story are Harry and Ginny, Hermione and Ron, and McGonagall and Voldemort. Looking at the text underneath the story's description, you can see the results of all possible filter categories, from the rating, to the characters, to the completion status. You are now ready to begin your search for fanfiction. May the odds be ever in your favor.